bastion of our democracy. We are taking the fight not in their court, but in the court of the Filipino people. Korte Suprema, the highest court in the land. Dito natin sila dadalhin because dito equal ang laban, fair lahat. So, ewan natin kung anong response nila o anong gagawin nila. I'm pretty sure meron din silang mga contingency plans, meron din silang mga sinasabing plan B or plan C or plan D or mga intimidating tactics na naman ang gagawin nila. So, we will be waiting for those replies and waiting for those actions sa kanila. Sasagutin naman namin at natin yan na in a polite and legal way din. No? Pero doon sa mga channels namin, talagang umurahin natin sila ng isang napakatinding puta. Ay silang animal, iwangan nila, los nila.
Okay, nag-iulap na ko ba?
Mana, musigaw ng puga na ng mga animal. Anyway, this is our fight. This is no longer our fight. This is the fight of the Filipino people. This is the fight for our freedom. This is now an authoritarian government, a totalitarian government. Wala na. This is just a facade. This is just an illusion of a democracy. We are not in fact in a democracy. I'm telling you that. And tell it to your children, tell it to your family, tell